Those of you who've followed my videos here on the website will know that I've talked about a whole range of issues that affect us in Wales and how Wales benefits from EU membership. And I sit on the Transport and Tourism Committee, and tourism is one of the things that's so valuable to us in Wales and which the EU has helped us to build and develop. For example, our clean beaches, the coastal path, which is unique on an international level. It was EU money that helped us to develop that. Things like stations, railway stations, roads, and of course support in partnership with Europe for projects all over the country which attract thousands of people every year. It's one of the ways in which we can really develop the Welsh economy. And the best way that we can do that and develop Welsh tourism is as part of the European Union.